morning and welcome to Tropical TV. I'm your host, Shalisa. Thank you for joining us.
Namaskar, Sitaram, to all our viewers out there. My name is Pandit Bola Misri from the Vishnu Satsang Mandir, joining me with a few of the devotees. And we are happy to join with Tropical TV, with our lovely producer Raj and host Chalisa in this satsang here in praises and adorations to the Divine Lord on this very special occasion. Together, alas, we join. Om Vatsan Kurmavaram Shah Bhavanam Shah Janadhanam Govindam Pundarikaksham Madhavam Madhusudanam Padmanabham Sahasrasham Vanmala Halayudham Govardhana Harashikesham Vaikuntham Purushottamam Vishwarupam Vasudevam Ramanarayanam Hari Damodharam Sridharam Shah Veda Ganga Garudhvajam Ananta Krishna Gopalam Jagato Naste Patakam Gavaputi Pradhanasya Ashwamedha Satasya Cha Ashwamedha Satasya Cha. O omnipresent Lord, adorations unto Thee. Give me strength to control the mind and to serve Thee and humanity. Untiringly with great zeal and enthusiasm, make me a fit instrument for Thy work. O loving presence, remove my weaknesses, defects and evil thoughts. Make me pure so that I may be able to receive Thy light, Thy grace and Thy blessings. O indweller of all hearts, give me a life without disease. Let me remember Thee always. Let me have the company of the saints and sages. Let me be endowed with this passion, love, appreciation and sublime virtues. Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. As you and I go through life's journey, and from there our divine connection in Brahma Rupam, connected to the divine Lord, we as the Atmas, and in the pathways of which Prapti Upayam, the ways and means of which we chose, and Phalam, the fruit of which we seek for our life's journey to attain that of eternal bliss, and Virodhi, all of the unwanted things of which we don't need in our lives, and to have all of these wonderful things in our lives to go on. And if we can take these divine principles and fulfill our duties accordingly, then it's said in this divine connection we can able to enjoy all the wonderful fruits of life, to be free from adi, dhaivik adi, bhautik adhyatmik, all mental and physical and phenomenal pains which are affecting so much of humankind today in God's creation. As we give praises to that divine Lord, Satyam Tvam Jnana Tvam Anantam Tvam Anandharatam Amalam. In these divine sacred forms of that Supreme, we sing the Lord's praises, and may that divine blessings be bestowed upon all. In this beautiful dhun, in this beautiful kirtan, we sing in praises to Bhagwan. Ana Madan Gopal हमारी हर कीर्तन में आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हर कीर्तन गोपाल हमारे हरि कीर्तन में।
आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में।
आप भी आना संग राधा जी को लाना।
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 धतु का मान बढ़ाना।
हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में।
आप पधारे कार्य सुधारे।
आप पधारे कारज सवारे।
आप पधारे कार्य सुधारे।
आप पधारे कारज सवारे।
अपने चरण सेवाना।
हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में।
नैना प्यासे तुम दर्शन किए।
नैना प्यासी तुम दर्शन किए।
नैना प्यासे तुम दर्शन किए।
नैना प्यासी तुम दर्शन किए।
इनके प्यास बुझाना।
हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में। आना मदन गोपाल हमारी हरि कीर्तन में।
ओम श्री कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंद गोप कुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। प्रेम से बोलो कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय।
In loving memory of Brad Rajendra Singh, God saw you getting tired. A cure was not to be, so he put his arms around you and whispered, "Come with me." With tearful eyes, we watched you suffer and saw you fade away. Although we love you dearly, we couldn't make you stay. A golden heart stopped beating, hard-working hands at rest. God broke our hearts to prove he only takes the best. It's lonesome here without you. We miss you each day. Life doesn't seem the same since you've gone away. When days are sad and lonely and everything goes wrong, we will remember your voice, reminding us to carry on. Each time we see your picture, you seem to smile and say, "Don't cry, I'm in God's keeping, we'll meet again someday." You never said I'm leaving, you never said goodbye. You were gone before we knew it, and only God knew why. A million times we needed you, a million times we cried. If love alone could have saved you, you never would have died. In life, we love you dearly. In passing, we love you still. In our hearts, you hold a place that no one could ever fill. It broke our hearts to lose you, but you didn't go alone, for part of us went with you the day God took you home.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
In loving memory of Brad Rajendra Singh, aged 57 years old, he was the only son to Polly and Ramjatan Singh. He was a loving brother, cousin, and uncle who will be missed dearly. Brad's spirit touched the hearts of everyone whose paths he's crossed, and will continue to be that light that shines down on the entire Singh family. Rest peacefully.
जमुना रोए मधुबन रोए रोए कदम की छैया हो रोए कदम की छैया भर भर नैना रोए रे गवाले भर भर नैना रोए रे गवाले रोए बिरज की गैया राह रोक कर रोए मन.
Life is beautiful, but death is inevitable. I realized this when my dad passed away. So much pain, and amidst all this, the worry of arranging a funeral. Thankfully, in all this, Kamal stood by me. From the viewing to the cremation, he arranged it all at one location. Once someone is gone, they don't come back. But Lotus Funeral Home knows how to give them a respectable farewell.
Lotus Funeral Home. Life must be celebrated.
Happy 60th birthday going to Mr. Dale Harna. Best wishes coming from your loving son Raj, your wife Geeta, your brothers, sisters, nieces and nephews. May Ma Durga continue to bless you.
हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम देखो 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 an evening in Paris आज ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम देखो 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 an evening in Paris.
The Chandan will always be placed at the head of the gods, at the top of the gods. And the axe will be taken back into the fire to be beaten again. The axe will be taken back into the fire to receive the heat and be sharpened again. The Chandan symbolizes how we must live in this world. So Chandan is important when you're having prayer. Chandan is important when you're having puja. It represents the way of life. Today, my devotees, while the Guru sits there, Kapila, he's been disrespected. Who is a true saint and a true Guru? जात पात कुल और धर्म बराई बल कुटुंब और बुद्धि से माता इन सबको होने में बुद्धि मानता है. Ramayana says when Shri Ramachandra walked up to Shabari Maya, do you know Shabari in Ramayana? Shabari put her hands together and she says, Lord, I don't know if you'll bless me or no. Prabhu, everybody kicked me out of the village because they've told me to be an outcast. I'm a low person, I'm a poor mother, I am no good. Everybody say I'm no good, Lord. Would you bless me? Am I deserving of your blessing? And at that point, Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra says, Maya, I can tell you more than many of the people's mind that live in that village. Your mind is more pure. Being in the yajna tonight, the true blessing is when your mind is pure.
The Canadian Pundit Sabha, along with Tropical Escape Restaurant and Lounge, in conjunction with Pundit Mani Mahabir of the Sri Hari Narayan Mandir, Pandit Jai Tiwari of the Toronto Dharmic Sabha, and Pandit Ishwar Dubey, along with Pandit Vishnu Prasad Misra of the Valmiki Ashram, are embarking on a food project for the frontline workers, effective this week.
कितनी सुंदर हो तुम, कितनी सुंदर हो,
मन में प्यार भरा और तन में प्यार भरा, जीवन में प्यार
मुझसे ही रिहा, अब मुझको भी हो दीदार मेरा, कर दे मुझे मुझसे ही रिहा।
May Hanuman ji continue to keep you within his divine care, custodial care. And may your prayers and wishes and desires, manvanchit pal, Hanuman ji se dete hai, to give you the fruit and the reward of your desire. I am singing this bhajan, and this bhajan is not only applied to my brother Mike and my Bauji Balu, but there is somebody special in this family. And I sit here tonight and I remember him. And you know who I remember. Pavana Kumari de me aavo. Some people never leave you. They live in your hearts forever. That's the way Bhagwan Ram and Sita Ma felt with Hanumanji, and Hanumanji also balanced the equation with the eternal presence of Ram and Sita. Some people, you love them until your eyes close. Pavana Kumara Hide me aavo, Pavana Kumari Hide me aavo, Pavana Kumari me aavo, Pavana Kumari me aavo. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai, Kripa karo Hanuman. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai.
भाई कृपा करो हनुमान मन में तुम्हारे शक्ति विराजे मन भक्ति से दीना मन में
मंगलम विघ्नहरतश्च मंगलम सिद्धायकः मंगलम भगवान शंभो मंगलम वृषध्वजा मंगलम पार्वतीनाथं मंगली भक्तवाशालम ऋग्वेदा यजुर्वेदा सामवेदा तर्वणः रक्षन्तो चतुर्थवेदा यतवच्चन्दाद्विका कर्मणम् ॐ मंगलम भस्तु ॐ
सुंदर से मिलने सुदामा जपने बोले मन में हरे रामा सब प्यारे तो कहाँ मोहे नगरिया बता जा सब प्यारे तो कहाँ बसत है मोहे नगरिया बता जा मोहे नगरिया बता जा।
Today marks a very special day as we'd all like to join in wishing Julie, also known as Pato, a very happy birthday. This greeting is coming from her loving mom, dedicated husband Uncle Mike, 3 wonderful children, Rocky, Gayatri, and Daniel, and of course her beautiful granddaughter, Nishana, in conjunction with all of her siblings, relatives, friends, near and far. Not forgetting Pandit Vishnu Prasad Mishra, Pandit Jageshwar Sharma, and Pandit Jai Tiwari. And of course, Raj and the entire Tropical TV family, Epic Entertainment, and Tropical Estate family. We'd all like to join in wishing you a very happy, happy birthday. May Lord Shiva continue to shower his divine and choicest blessings upon you on your special day. Happy birthday.
दूर चले जाए हम कहीं दूर चले जाए हम दूर इतना कि हमें छू न सके कोई गम
न जाने
जाने किस पे आएगा।
Razia Travel and Tours for all your traveling needs. We are specialized in all-inclusive tours, vacation packages, worldwide fairs and tours, emergency travel. Need those urgent tickets? Call Razia now on phone number 416-543-8430. Call now. Razia at Travel Only. Your journey starts here, creating moments and memories.
Birthday greetings are going out to Angie Pitamber of ANS Fashion and Puja Store, located in Scarborough, Ontario. This greeting is coming from your loving son, Stefan, your mom, Parvati, your relatives and friends. Not forgetting the Kirtan groups and the Tropical TV family.
नाम है तक भी हम सब हो, कयान उनको अब नहीं। नाम है तक भी हम सब हो, कयान उनको अब नहीं। इस कदर कुबड़ी से नहीं पिड़ जाना अपनी जुबान से, तेरे नैना है जरा बेईमान से। मत वाली ये दिल क्यों तोड़ा, ये तीर कहाँ छोड़ा नजर की कमान से, कि मर जाऊंगा मैं बस मुस्कान से। पहले भी तूने एक रोज ये कहा था, पहले भी तूने एक रोज ये कहा था, आऊंगी तू ना आई। वादा किया था सैया बन के किससे बेचत भई रघुबर से भई, रघुबर से भई, रघुबर से।
Interested in getting a tattoo? In Brampton, Mississauga, Toronto, or surrounding GTA areas? Call or text Colin at 647-588-3839 and get inked. Instagram at COLINMOHAMED.
Dear viewers, we thank you for sharing your weekend with us here at Tropical TV. Please join us, same time, same channel. As we sign off, we wish you a wonderful and safe week ahead.
धीरे रे चलो मोरी बात है रनिया, धीरे रे चलो मोरी बात है रनिया। कमर न लचके आए सजनिया, धीरे रे चलो मोरी बात है रनिया, धीरे रे चलो मोरी बात है रनिया। तेरी फिकरी जुल्फे देख देख ये मस्त कता